In this episode, I'm going to be decorating my tray. So if you're interested in seeing how it's going to turn out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I am decorating for Valentine's. I am decorating my glass copper tray. I'm going to take you along with me as I decorate it. Now the pink hearts I've already had. Now nothing on this tray is new. I've had everything came out of my stash. Now the pink glitter hearts, I've had those for a few years. They came from Hobby Lobby. The copper salt and pepper meal, I've had that now for a few months. The oil and vinegar, I've had them for a few years. They came from West Elm. The love you sign copper with the pink, that came from the Dollar Tree. I think it was last year. Over here you have the pink heart cupcake stand, came from the Dollar Tree. And then you have this tea cup, a tea pot right here with this tray and sauce and everything. It's so cute. I got that off of eBay. And then I have the other pink heart coffee cups or coffee mugs, however you want to put them. They are china. They are trimmed in gold. And then I have it on a saucer that matches. So I did a really simple heart Valentine tray. Let me know down below what you think of my heart tray. I really have fun coming up with this year using no spend. And that's a big thing for me this year, is trying to do as many no spends as possible. So let me know down below what you think of my tray. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link down below, and you be blessed.